there. I think that's going to show here. Or is that the 827?
Oh, it's right here, right behind, right around the corner, straight ahead. Right, straight ahead.
Oh yeah, right straight back there. See the turret on top? See the seaplane is right the other side of the seaplane.
Shoot airplanes.
When did you were taught how to shoot airplanes?
Yeah.
Oh. So you did practice on the gun?
Yeah. Well, it was when I was going to officers training.
Oh. Okay.
And they have a.
That was after you'd got off the. What year was that?
$1944. B-25.
Okay, but this was what is it again? It's a DC-3A, yeah. It was one of the most used planes, you're saying?
Yeah. I don't think that there was a plane that was widely used as that.
And this is the tail section of the Spruce Goose. Man, that's incredible, the size of the Spruce Goose, though.
The wings are about the same. Look how huge that is.
Yeah.
The biggest plane ever built. I couldn't believe that when I seen how they built it.
Yeah, it showed pretty good diagram of that model was really good.
And then the skin is out of wood.
Goes back to that community and it's put on display. Yeah, so I mean, definitely one of them will not be scrapped or whatever. It's really large.
Yeah, somebody told me that about a week or two ago. You might find interesting, I don't know whether you saw when you came in or not,
Well, I think I'm ready to go.
Okay.
What is this, a model of this place here?